Hi, have you been asked to write a research paper and don't know where to start? In this video, we are going to look at something that might help. It is called the Oregon School Library Information System, also known as OSLIS, which is available on the Tillamook County website at tillabook.org. You'll find it under the Teen tab. Once you're at the OSLIS site, you can bookmark it to make it easier to find. There are free resources here for all Oregon students and teachers. We will be looking at resources for junior high and high school students, also known as secondary students. On this page, you will find a short video about OSLIS. It's a good place to start to familiarize yourself with the resource. And then next we have the three main areas for writing a research paper: learn to research, find information, and cite my sources. On this page, you can find everything you need to know about doing a research project, broken down into 6 steps. Each step has a short video plus links to dig in deeper into each step. There are also more useful, more videos and ebooks here. You can watch the video here and then go through each of the steps. There are also links to worksheets and guides. Next, we have find information. This is where you'll find links to databases and other sources of information that are authoritative and peer-reviewed, which is just the kind of information your teacher wants you to find. Many of the databases have a short tutorial video where you can see how to use them, and you can watch it right there. Most of these resources are also available directly from the library webpage. To access them here through OSLIS, you will need to enter your school district name, private school, or homeschool. If you use them on the library website, you will need to use your library card number. You could enter your school district there, or let's say you're homeschooled. You could try that. Either of those should work. This particular database, Scaling Context, is pretty powerful. It breaks things down into subjects for you so you don't have to guess so much on your search terms. Let's try here. Let's look at bullying. Each article has extras like critical thinking questions and words to know to help you evaluate your understanding of the material. Let's look at one. Critical thinking questions. Words to know. You'll also find related subjects. So if you wanted to branch out on your subject, you could look in these other subject areas. At the bottom of each page is a link to the citation. So if you're required to include a works cited page to your paper, you can easily select it and export it to either your Google Drive or your OneDrive. It makes it pretty easy. On the Cite My Sources page, you can use these handy dandy tools. They have 2 styles, either MLA or APA. If your teacher has assigned you again to do a works cited page, he has probably told you which style to use, and it covers 2 of those styles. There are step-by-step instructions here. Basically, you just fill out the form and it creates the works cited page for you. It's pretty cool. And that's OSLIS. Talk to your teacher or call the Tillamook County Library if you have questions or trouble accessing this or any library resource. You can also use our website to chat with a librarian, or try Answerland at answerland.org. This is a chat resource that's available to everyone in Oregon. It's available 24/7. Again, if you have any questions, give us a call. Good luck on your paper.